you remove it. Pull, pull. Now it's good. And now just pull it again. More. That's it. It's off. And before you put it back, it's very simple but a bit tricky. You can see this. It's not going to go. You will not be able to put this in because this is blocking the way. So what you need to do is push forward and up. So this is locked, this is open. Same thing here, this is already, if it's like this way, up, and now we are able to put it back. Just line up between here and here, so you need to go here with these ones. I'll show you. Put it on the top of the wheel, and here as well, on the top of the wheel, so it's in between, you see, below this white, and you just push it. Push it, don't force it, but just you will feel some resistance. Now it became much harder, and now just out, and now it's in place now. So once again, when you push, you will feel resistance. Keep pushing it to the end, and then out. And you can see now it's in place properly. And these ones are very important. Just always, usually they are between these behind these columns. So you go in like this, lift up this side, this down, other side down, in, and lower it. So this needs to find a hole. It goes into the hole automatically, and then push it down and push down. This is ready. Alternatively, because it will leak to the floor, if there's some liquid comes here, what I do, I just put a rag here. That's it. So the rag catches it, and obviously you need to change this rag regular basis. I always check it a daily basis, you know. It's not hygienic if we leave this, if it gets wet or dirty and we leave it like this for days.